Oh, now you found it. No way!
What's up guys, we're Pongfinity.
It's time for another episode of Challenge Pongfinity.
Okay, a 360 between every shot. I got no idea.
No!
I think I changed direction in between the
Yeah,
lines.
you did.
I forgot.
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh. Yes.
Just couldn't see it anymore. Okay, one more.
One more, yeah. This is the worst challenge ever.
Is that good?
This is definitely not fun. I think we're gonna have to finish this challenge here.
Okay, so this is a challenge for you guys. Can we reach 100k likes on this video? Let's see. Remember to like.
So many of you have wanted me to play with my beard. It's time to try it out. I'll try to attach this racket to my beard. That's now in place. Does it stay? Maybe it will stay for a while.
Let's try it.
It's never gonna work out, but
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
no, it's not. Slower. Yeah, maybe not.
Well, that was close.
I'm impressed if you get one shot on the table.
100,000 likes for every shot that Otto gets on table.
So 0.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, now you found it. No way!
Was that around the net?
That was unbelievable.
Emil has no chance against me. Apparently it works. Yeah, no, I got the feeling now. I think I look quite stupid right
Yes,
now.
you definitely do.
Oh, this is good. Nice. Stabilize the racket.
Time for my favorite shot. You know what it is. I think this might be too hard. Okay. Not this time.
So I still have the world record in the Pongfinity game. But can I play this game while I'm playing table tennis? Of course, I'll choose Emil, the best character. Oh, and by the way, you probably haven't seen this, but this is the rooftop. This is the best map in the whole game.
I don't think I've seen it.
How does it look like?
Nice. This could be a challenge. Play while someone else is holding in front.
Okay, go.
It's going well.
Oh! Well, 16. And guys, go beat my high score. I want to see someone beat my high score.
Emil challenges you guys.
Yeah, that's my challenge to you guys. Go beat my high score.
So I think you guessed what we are going to do with this. Let's try it out.
The golden button would be big for anybody else, but for Otto it's okay size.
It's a bit high, otherwise it's okay.
Come on.
That's good.
Okay, so Otto will play with the button, I'll play with the case. Oh, moving me around. Oh!
Was the fake shot?
Yeah, fake shot.
Yes.
I think I'll start keeping my racket in here. It's a bit inconvenient, but I like it. That was close.
It's time for the golden around net.
Touch?
Yes.
Golden plate versus silver plate.
I'll take the winning plate.
I think
Gold.
this one's better.
But it's the winner's choice.
Bigger plate for a bigger man.
Exactly.
Okay, 0-0. Can I serve?
Yes, you can.
No! That was a bad start. No! No chance I'm gonna beat you. Yes! Okay, I'll try this side. Nobody wants to miss.
We'll be here tomorrow playing this 1 point.
Yeah.
Maybe this is the new world's longest rally.
Maybe the black side is better. Maybe I'll finish it with the black side. Maybe we don't need to show the whole match, we just show this 1 point. It's as long as a match. No! No, every time you just give me an easy ball and I think I can smash it, but no.
That's my tactic.
Side 10-4. I'm coming back. Oh, stupid.
Easy.
Damage control.
It seems to have survived.
Yeah. Just a little fingerprints, some ball marks.
It's Pongfinity approved
It's
now.
Pongfinity approved.
Don't forget to subscribe and watch our previous videos there. Until next time.